If food could be 3D printed, it would revolutionize society by transforming culinary arts, food production, sustainability, and healthcare. The technology would allow precise control over ingredients, shapes, textures, and flavors, enabling chefs to create intricate, customized dishes. This convenience would extend to busy individuals, remote locations, and space missions. Economically, 3D printed food would open new markets and disrupt traditional food industries, with farmers and manufacturers adapting to the new technology. Environmentally, it could reduce food waste by printing only what is needed and using surplus ingredients, while enhancing resource efficiency. Health-wise, 3D printed food could offer personalized nutrition tailored to individual dietary needs, improving public health outcomes. Food safety could be enhanced through controlled printing environments and sterile ingredients. Socially, food culture might shift towards technological literacy, impacting traditional cooking practices. The technology could also enhance food security and accessibility, particularly in resource-limited areas. However, challenges like technological limitations, regulatory concerns, economic displacement, and ethical questions about the nature of food would need to be addressed to maximize the benefits.